Okay, I didn't mean to do that.
I still ride through the ghetto. They say it's money on my head though. I turn a gangster to a scareho.
What up, guys? Honest Dave from We Freaked It. If you didn't already see me in the other clip, I'm about to do this.
Plate falling off.
Oh yeah, almost falling off.
Falling off. The fucking lights falling off.
I lost my tail light. There's some front pieces coming off, but you know what? We freaked it, so it don't matter.
Man, this man's the only dude that I know that does some crazy stuff like this, I swear. The only man that's gonna drive a moped on a dirt bike trail.
He's gonna bust everything, bro. I swear. Really look at this shit. You hear the song?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to We Freaked It. It's hard with the bicycle, bro.
You hit that jump too? That's not going in my car now. With all that mud and shit on it.
Do you wipe out? This man right here is about to ride this moped on this dirt bike to see if he can do it. He's gonna wipe out for sure. That moped's already fucked up. I can smell the gas. Found his taillight. This man hit a jump. Broke the fucking thing.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh.
He's not wiping out.
No, you're not.
This man.
This fucking man.
What up, guys? Honest Dave from We Freaked It. If you didn't already see me in the other clip, I'm about to do this.
Plate falling off.
Oh yeah, almost falling off.
Falling off. The fucking lights falling off.
I lost my tail light. There's some front pieces coming off, but you know what? We freaked it, so it don't matter.
That motherfucker look like a bald hamster.
This man's the only dude that I know that does some crazy stuff like this, I swear. The only man that's gonna drive a moped on a dirt bike trail. He's gonna bust everything, bro. I swear.
They may look like a naked.
You hear the sound
like a
of
naked gerbil, huh?
There's some wild shit out here, bro.
We out here in cousin fucking territory right now. We got these hicks staring at us over there in the distance.
Man, screw them hicks, bro.
And them hicks are looking at us and shit. Fuck them.
We freaking it, so it don't matter.
shit.
That does not sound good. That does not sound good, bro.
Holy shit.
Let's see if this man broke something. Oh, folks. Bro, did you see that?
Hit that shit again. Hit it again.
Hit it again.
Bro, I don't think I can hit it again. That fucking hurt.
Redo it. No, you got to, bro, for the video. Redo it, bro. This fucking man.
You gotta hit this jump now. This man giving up already. He's gotta hit this jump now before the video ends.
Merrick. Here we go, the dribble boy back at it.
The Durble man. The Durble man back at it again. With this wild shit. That does not sound good.
Any thoughts, David?
What are the chances are this man wipes out?
Probably 1 in 10.
I'd say like a 5 to 10.
Hopefully he wipes out soon. I'm trying to see this man fall. This man looks like a naked ferret.
With his bullet head ass. With his nuke head ass. Boom boom, bitch. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Back at it again. How your nuts feel?
You already know how it is, boys. Whew. One of y'all want to go?
Dirty Dan right here.
Dirty Dan.
Part 2 in this motherfucker.
Hold on, folks. I'm not gonna be able to go on this.
Part 2.
Yes, you can.
What are the chances are that this man wipes out? We're gonna see. Austin, what are the chances are that this man wipes out?
Honestly, I mean, I've been doing reckless stuff like this for a while.
From 0 to 10.
I'd give it a 7.
I say like an 8.
Turn around. Come
Maybe
back
a 10.
This way. This freaking man. Come on, let's get a little close.
This man with this Squidward looking ass.
Dave, you can't swear in the video.
Me and Clayton been doing it.
Huh?
Me and Clayton been doing it.
He didn't hit the big ramp like I did. Go hit that again. What are you doing?
To your mama's house, bitch.
Here we go. Before he gets done with this, he's gotta hit that bump right there and this one over here.
Don't hit it from this way.
I think he's gonna wipe out. I don't think he's gonna make it.
Don't hit it from this way. Oh, holy shit! That's how we fucking do it. Hey, no, hit that one, Clayton. I gotta find those tail lights, folks. Hey, have him get closer. Have him get closer. Hey, Dave, get closer. He's gonna hit this ramp. I gotta find them tail lights. I don't know where they went.
Here we go, boys. This man's gonna try it again. One more go around. You gotta hit that bump over there. What do you guys think? Is he gonna make that big ass bump or is he gonna fail?
Give me, Ben. Don't go that way.
We wildin' out here, boys.
Alright, I'm gonna hit that. Watch out.
He's gonna hit that big bump. I think he's gonna wipe out. He didn't go fast enough.
Yeah. When you hit that and go flying like I did, dump it. Hit that again.
All right,
you didn't go fast enough.
we gotta try this one more time. He's gonna hit that big bump one more time. He didn't go fast
hit
enough.
It again, because you didn't go fast enough.
Are you boys ready?
Be careful. You gonna do this stuff next, Dave?
Man, I'm gonna try.
Yeah. Hey, you
We
only
freaked
live
it.
once.
We freaked it. We gotta do it.
Tell him to get closer. Get closer.
Hit it.
That wasn't good. All right, this man,
That's how I
he didn't
pulled
go
to your
fast
mom's
enough.
house. That's how I pulled to your mom's
He's
house.
gonna try it one more time. He didn't go fast enough. Let's see if he can do it again.
Because you got the brake on, folks.
Well, you ready, boys?
Oh shit.
We freaked it.
Oh shit, there's a fucking tail light.
This man. Yep, there goes the tail light. Gonna have to buy a new one.
Nah. After the camping season's over, moped's going away. It's a camping mobile now. The dirt trek rider.
All right, he's gotta go fast as hell one more time. Let's see if he can do it.
Paddles all the way back, boy.
Hold up, stop for a second.
All right, let's look at this thing. See if it's dry. Let's see if it's ride worthy. Definitely not ride worthy. The license plate's almost coming off. The backlight's already off. The oil's leaking over here.
All right, let's see this shit, boys.
This thing is gone for. He's going to the junkyard, boys.
Come over here, boy. Austin, hit this jump right here.
Claim what you gotta say about this man.
We freaked it. Naked drummer looking ass boy. Come on, bro, step back.
All right, one more time. Let's see if you can do it. What's going on here, bud?
Trying to figure
I think
out.
we got a little problem over here, boys.
What's going on, boy?
I don't know. It's,
I bit my fucking tongue. That shit's fucking bleeding.
Yep, she's done for.
She might be done for, boys.
Take her to the junkyard.
nope.
That's what you call a played out bitch right there.
Yep, I think she's done for. We got everything fucked up over here. This man is, I don't know what happened over here. He's got the oil leaking out. I don't know what's going on in there.
Let me try this bitch.
This thing's done for, boys. This fucking man.
It's
He's
funny.
a,
It's funny.
he's
how
a
my
dirty
grandma-
Dan. He's a dirty Dan. That's what he is.
It's funny how my grandma walks faster than that fucker goes.
Yeah.
Oh, he got fucking stuck. He got stuck.
We thought he was stuck for a second.
He was stuck for a second. What you mean? Here he comes again.
Oh, here he comes.
All right, boys, time to grab them tail lights. Head back to the camper.
Bro, that fucker's not even moving, bro. Full throttle right there, boys.
All right, let's grab them tail lights. I'll tell you to grab them tail lights.
How do you feel, Austin?
You know what?
Tell these fans how your nuts feel.
Oh, bro, feels like I can fucking spit fire.
Yep, time to take it to the junkyard, boys. Well, that's it for this video, guys. We freaked it.
That's what you call a broken bitch right there.
Yeah. That's it for today, guys. We freaked it. To be continued.